HTML is the standard markup language for web pages. With HTML you can create your own website. And HTML is easy to learn, you will enjoy it. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages, and HTML describes the structure of a web page, and HTML consists of a series of elements, and HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, and this is a simple HTML document. The doc-type HTML declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. The body element defines the document's body, and is a container for all the visible contents, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph.